In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your computer name and change it. And this process is the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. To get started, go to Start menu and then click on Settings. And from here, look for the option called Systems. Click on it to open. Then go to About, which is the last option, and then open it. From here, you'll be able to see the device name. For my case, it is this. To change it, all you need to do is to click on this, rename this PC. And now from here, go ahead and enter the new name and then click on Next. And then you'll have to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So that's how you change your computer name in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.